Hey everybody, welcome to our cooking channel Pans and Knife.
In today's video, we'll be making Tan Tan Ramen, a type of Japanese ramen noodle soup by simply using oats milk and instant noodles. Let us show you how. You will need rice vinegar, dark soy, sesame paste, chili flakes, oats, ginger garlic paste, button mushrooms, instant noodles, cottage cheese and vegan oyster sauce. Moving on, let's prepare oats milk. Grind the oats into a powdered form. And transfer it into a bowl. Now add 3 cups of water. And mix the powdered oats into water to create a milky texture, and make sure you avoid lumps. Then set it aside and let it soak properly. 15 to 17 minutes later, strain the mixture and your oats milk is all ready. Moving on to the next step, let's prepare chili oil. Add oil into a pot, and once it is hot enough, add chili flakes. Make sure you don't let them burn, and then transfer them into a bowl. Moving on to the next step, let's prepare spring onion oil. In order to infuse the flavor from the chili oil, use the same pot and add some oil. Then add spring onions. And once ready, transfer them into a bowl. Moving on to the next step, let's stir fry mushroom and paneer. Heat the pot, add some oil. Once hot enough, add garlic ginger paste. Be careful because it will splutter. Once it settles down, add mushrooms and let them cook. Then add paneer or cottage cheese. And stir it thoroughly, separating each piece. And the best part about this dish is that it is loaded with protein. Once you notice the change in the color, that's when it has almost cooked. Now it's time to add vegan oyster sauce, along with soy sauce, and vinegar. Let it cook for few minutes. And then keep it aside on a bowl. Let's proceed to the next step, preparing the broth. Add approx 2 cups of water into the same pot in order to soak in all the good flavor. Then add 2 taste makers from the instant noodles packet. Once it reaches the boiling point, it's time to keep it aside. Moving on further, let's prepare noodles. Add about 3 cups of water and let it come to a boiling point. Then add 2 cakes of instant noodles. And once they are soft enough, keep them aside. Make sure the texture is watery. Moving on to the final step, let's assemble everything. Assemble all the ingredients at one place and use a deep bowl. Begin with adding sesame paste, followed by few drops of chili oil as per your spice tolerance, followed by spring onion oil, and fill the bottom of the bowl with the broth. Add about 10 to 15 spoons or maybe more. Then add about 10 to 12 tablespoons of oats milk. and mix it. Then add the boiled noodles and let it immerse properly. Then add stir-fried mushroom and paneer. Garnish it with some green chilies. And that's about it. Our Tan Tan Ramen is finally ready to be relished. It already smells incredible. You have to try this recipe. And don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Meanwhile, subscribe to our channel Pans and Knives.